Mananatili naman sa orihinal na proseso ang paglilitis sa kaso ni Vice President Sara Duterte kung saan tatapusin muna ng prosekusyon ang paghaharap ng kanilang mga ebidensya at testigo bago sumalang ang kampo ng depensa. Noon narito, naghain ng mosyon ng prosecution panel na gawing article by article ang presentation ng mga ebidensya na agad namang tinutulan ito ng depensa. Nagbabalik si Eden Santos.
Bigo ang tangkang pagbabago sa takbo ng impeachment trial sa pamamagitan ng pagpipresenta ng mga ebidensya. Yan ay matapos na mariing tutulan ng defense panel ang motion ukol sa article by article na presentasyon ng mga ebidensya na umano'y hiniling ng panig ng prosecution panel.
Siguro para lang sa kalaman ng lahat, ang pinanggagalingan lang naman ng posisyon namin is where the burden of proof actually lies. And the burden of proof lies with the prosecution. So dapat tapusin nila yung kaso.
Pero agad itong mariing itinanggi ni House Prosecution Impeachment Spokesperson Attorney Benjamin Tolosa Jr. Itinuro ni Tolosa si Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian na nagpursige ng motion.
From the prosecution. So we just want to clarify this. As stated in one of the interviews given by the Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian, it was made clear that this suggestion was actually first discussed by Senate President Gatchalian and the presiding officer, Chis Escudero, and then this matter was brought to the parties and asked if we will agree with it. So we were given until Monday to inform the court about our decision on the matter, and we complied with that directive. Last Monday, we said that we're amenable to that suggestion. And yesterday, we received the manifestation of the defense saying that they're not agreeing to it.
Nilinaw naman ni Tolosa na may kapangyarihan ang impeachment court kung ano ang magiging pagkakasunod-sunod ng paglalahad ng ebidensya.
Dito maliwanag naman ng sinabi din ng Senate President, kaya minungkahi ito dahil ito ang pamamaraan na mas makakabuti para sa lahat, hindi lang sa impeachment court pati sa ating mga kababayan, dahil mas madaling subaybayan at sundan kung anong ebidensya na ilalatag ng magkabilang panig sa bawat article of impeachment. So sa amin, under the Constitution, the rules of impeachment, even the rules of court, at kahit sa pre-trial order issued by the court where it says that the court can still modify yung order presentation of evidence. So ultimately, may discretion dito ang impeachment court regardless of the preference of the parties. So we will respect whatever decision the impeachment court will reach on this matter.
Sa Day 10 ng impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte ay susundin pa rin ang orihinal na proseso kung saan ay tatapusin muna ng prosekusyon ang paghaharap ng kanilang mga ebidensya testigo para sa mga natitirang reklamo bago sumalang ang kampo ng depensa.
There is no agreement between the two parties. Therefore, we shall proceed as originally ruled by the chair. From the inquiry of Senator Bam Aquino, we shall finish with the presentation of the evidence in chief of the prosecutors for all the articles of impeachment that they will not withdraw. I'm saying that only because of the corona impeachment experience we had, wherein some articles were withdrawn by the prosecution. Thereafter, we will hear the evidence in chief of the respondent for all the articles that remain, or all the articles that evidence will be presented by the prosecution. So ordered.
Eden Santos para sa Mata ng Agila. Matata, matapa, matapat.